Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your passcode on iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or 17 Air. Doesn't matter which 17 you have, just follow the steps and this will change your passcode. So for that, go to Settings, and here in the Settings, scroll down, just tap on Face Finding Password, and if you have a password, just use it to turn it on to open these settings. And in here, you got the turn passcode off if you turn it off, or change the passcode, which we want to do now. Just tap on it, enter your current passcode, and now enter a new passcode, like, let me put it this. I says it's easy, I don't care. Yeah, but I don't care, actually you should care. Just choose a password. That is really hard for people to guess. And that's it. That's how you can change your password on your iPhone.